Welcome. This practice is simple, quiet, and deeply grounding. Vipassana invites you to meet the present moment exactly as it is without changing, fixing, or controlling anything. All you're doing for the next few minutes is noticing what is here and remembering that you are here with it. Take a slow breath in and let it fall out naturally. Let's begin. Sit comfortably, letting your spine grow taller and relaxed. Allow your eyes to close gently. Bring all your attention to your breath, not to change it, not to deepen it, just to witness it. Notice where your breath begins at the nose, the chest, or the belly. Notice where it ends, the top of the inhale, the bottom of the exhale. Feel the coolness of the air entering and the slight warmth as it leaves. Let the breath breathe itself. Now gently expand your awareness to the sounds around you. Near sounds, far sounds, the quiet hum of your environment. Let everything be exactly as it is. You are not choosing, you are receiving. Shift your awareness to sensations in your body. The weight of your hands, the temperature of your skin, the contact with the chair or floor beneath you. If you feel anything, warmth, coolness, tightness, lightness, simply label it in your mind. Nothing is right or wrong. Everything is welcome. Now whisper inwardly, this is what's here now. I am here with it. This is what's here now. I am here with it. This is what's here now. I am here with it. Let that truth settle. If your mind wanders, that's perfect. Simply notice where it wandered, label it gently, and return to the breath. No pulling, no forcing, just returning. Now let all the awareness rest on the breath once more. the rise, the fall, the quiet space in between. Let the simplicity of this moment hold you. You are present, you are aware, you are here. Begin deepening your breath just a little. Feel your chest expand, your shoulders soften, your awareness becoming brighter. Wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing moment back into your body. And when you are ready, open your eyes softly, carrying this calm, steady presence with you. Thanks for meditating with me.